This is INFINIX Note 12 2023, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can scan a document and later transform it into a PDF file on this device. So first you will need to find and launch the Google Drive app. Well, in here, let me quickly verify that it's me. And well, in your case, it might be that you will have to sign into your Google account if you haven't done that previously. So, well, once everything is set up and, well, the Google Drive app allows you to proceed, you gotta simply tap at the plus icon to your bottom right, choose the scan option from the list, allow Google Drive to have an access to camera, and then simply take a photo of the document that you wanted to scan. So here is mine. Take a picture. Then see the result. If you're satisfied, you can just go ahead and proceed. If not, just redo the photo. At the following interface, you can adjust your final document. So in my case, I'll just edit the automatic framing and, well, will actually frame the part of the photo that I would like to end up in the final PDF file that I am about to create. Just trim off some extra paper that have made it to the raw photo that I took. Then, if needed, you can rotate your file and change its positioning. You can also change the color scheme that it uses. So by default, it usually sets itself to be in black and white, but you can make it to look, well, like an original photo, color, or color drawing. I'll just set it to black and white myself. Then, if that's all the adjustments that you were looking to make, you can just go ahead and save your result by tapping at the save button. In here, rename the document if you would like to. Then you can also, if needed, change the drive location that the document or file will be saved to, and then just finally hit the save button to your top right, wait for the file to be uploaded to Drive, and here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.